If you start here, bring one knee forward and extend the other leg back. Then grab a pillow and relax into it. You release the glutes in deep hip rotators, open the hip flexors, unload the low back, and help reduce sciatic nerve tension. If you bend one knee to 90 degrees and add the other one under it, rotate hips to the side, you activate back muscles, deep hip rotators and glutes, while helping unload the low back and ease sciatic tension. Lock your front knee into the wall and keep your hips still. Now rotate only your upper body left and right. This forces the movement through your thoracic spine, opening the chest, shoulders, lats, obliques, and deep back muscles while helping you build cleaner rotation without cheating from the hips. Bring one arm across, lock it with the other, and rotate through the upper back. This stretches the rear shoulder, upper back, and shoulder blade muscles while opening the thoracic spine and reducing tension from sitting. Neck pain most of the time comes from these two muscles when they get stiff. So gently pull your head to the right with your right hand, then move your left arm up and down. That added movement helps free up tension through the neck and upper shoulder, creating a deeper release. Make sure to like and follow us for more. As you press through the foot and lift your hips, glutes and hamstrings drive the movement, while the outer hip and core keep the pelvis from twisting or dropping. With one leg held up, this challenges your stability even more and helps strengthen the hips in a way that carries over to real movement. This workout helps release the hips by activating the deep hip stabilizers, glutes, and hip flexors. As you rotate slowly, the joint opens, tension around the pelvis decreases, and the lower back gets relieved while hip mobility improves. If your hips always feel tight, try this. Start with one leg bent in front of you and the other extended behind. Then slowly push your body forward and reach through. This opens the glutes, deep hip rotators, hip capsule, and groin all at once, helping the hip release and move more freely. So, if you step one leg back, place your hands on your chest, turn both legs inward, and slowly rotate your torso. As you turn, the hips, glutes, and lower back begin to open, helping reduce tension through the sciatic nerve pathway. Place your elbow against the wall and pull yourself in. This drives scapular retraction, opens the thoracic region, and stretches the surrounding upper back tissues, which can help calm nerve tension and improve circulation through the area. Place one arm on the wall, lock it with the other hand, and lean forward into rotation. This opens the thoracic spine, stretches the deep back muscles and shoulder, while helping relieve pressure and built-up tension from sitting.